Hello again to my YouTube channel. So today in this tutorial, I will share with you two ways or two methods to link between sheets in the same workbook or in other workbook. But today I want just show you how we can connect at least two sheets in the same workbook. So to do that, we have two ways as I tell before. So let's try to build in this using this data that we have here in this workbook in this sheet. Okay, as we see with me, we have some data here. Well, what I try to do now, I want to go to this sheet here. Okay, and they will creating a link between this sheet to this one. Okay, so to do that, we have the first method here. Easy one is try to insert some icon here. Okay, well, I will choose in some icon and try to link it to this the first sheet I show you before. Okay, so let's try some sheets here. Okay, let's try in this one. This okay. um okay, waiting a few time. So we have this icon. Okay, we make it more clear here, and we click right. We go here to this link. Okay, and we choosing the sheet or the workbook that we want. So maybe kind of choosing any workbook or any sheet existing in somewhere, but here in our case I want just try to link this sheet to this one that we have here. Okay, we click OK, and if I go here now is go to this uh sheet that I want. Okay, so this is the first method, and the second one we can using some VBA code, Visual Basic Code. Okay, we go here to this developer in our ribbon. If not exists, we can just go to these options. Okay, and I will use it here, custom or customize ribbon, and I will use it here. Okay, I click add. So for me, in my case, it exists before. This is developer. Okay, so for the reason it not exist in the left side. Click OK. Well, as I tell you before, we go to this developer, we go to this insert from this form controls. I choose in the button. Okay, creating the button here. Um, so I click OK. We'll show you now. So let's make some changes here. If I want to write in some text here, can do that. Let's call it check button. Okay. If I want to go to this form control, I can increase the size if I want, or change the font style of our text. Okay, I can also add in some color here. If I go to choosing this one, make it more big. I click OK, OK, the tick button, and the next step here is I go click right, go to assign macro. So here I go to click this new one, and I get this. Okay, I get this piece of code with the VBA code, Visual Basic Code, and I want just creating some or writing, sorry, small expression of code work. So worksheet, sorry, worksheet, so work. So worksheets, okay, and open parentheses between. Okay, and inside of this function of worksheets, I creating my name of my sheets in our example is called zero. Okay, and dot activate. Okay, and I save this, save it, and if I go now to this button, if I click, I get my target sheet. Okay, so I hope that is clear for you, and happy learning. See you again in some next tutorial. Thank you.